If you're new in the UK and you're a driverholic like me, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to explain how to buy a decent used car in the UK without hurting your wallet. So let's go step by step, from checking if you can drive in the UK to finally holding your keys. First things first, do you actually qualify to drive in the UK? Check this, you can head to the DVLA's official website, click start now and choose where your license is from. And it'll show you how long you can drive in the UK before needing a proper UK license. Usually you can drive up to 12 months in your foreign license before needing to switch to a proper UK one. Next thing is, before you even think about buying a car, you need to get used to the UK's driving rules. You can download the DVLA's official learning app or the highway code for less than £5. It's not interesting reading, but I highly recommend doing this as it's for your own safety and for the safety of others. Trust me, the roundabouts in the UK are like IQ tests on wheels, and I definitely recommend practicing before you drive. Alright, so once you're confident, it's finally time to hunt for your first car. You have few options to look for. If I were you, I would go with AutoTrader because it's clean, reliable, the filters are neat, and you can easily get your car's history checked using their premium plan. Let me show you an example. You can head to the AutoTrader's official website. In the main search bar, you can enter your postcode and select the make and model of your car. I know you'll be surprised to see the prices, especially if you're from India, because trust me, you can find a decent BMW in the UK for less than 2,000 quid. That is less than 2 lakhs in India. Similarly, there are plenty of options to search through. For example, Volkswagen Polos, Ford Focuses, Fiestas. These are all value cars that won't give you much headache in terms of liability and insurance. Once you've found a car that looks decent, you can actually meet with the seller or dealer and do a proper check. Don't be shy, because this is your money. Pop the bonnet, check the engine bay for any leaks or damp spots. Don't be afraid to lie down, look underneath the car. Look for any signs of rust, damp spots or oil drips. Start it up. Listen to any weird noises. If you hear something that sounds like a bag of coins in a washing machine, walk away. If you're a bit of a geek, you can plug in your OBD reader to check for error code, or just pay a local mechanic about 50 quid to inspect a car for you. And plenty of them do mobile checks as well. Next thing is, always check your car's MOT history on the .uk website. All you need is the car's registration number. You'll see the mileage, past advisories, and even if it's failed anything recently. Also make sure you ask for your car's service history. Even photos of receipts would help. Once everything checks out and you agree on the price, pay safely, not in cash if possible, and make sure you get a receipt. Once your payment is done, the seller would update your V5C logbook, which is the slip that proves that you're the new owner of the car. You will get the updated version of the V5C in post in a week or two. Next most important thing is, tax your vehicle. It takes 2 minutes online to tax your car. You can't legally drive until the car is taxed, so don't forget to do that. Finally, insurance. Use comparison websites like Compare the Market, Confused.com or Go Compare. Play around with the job titles, car values, parking options. You'll be surprised how much the code changes. But don't fake anything. If you get caught, you could lose your cover completely. And yes, the first score will make you cry, but it will improve once you get your UK license and upgrade your new claim bonus. So that's it. Buying your first car in the UK isn't scary. It's just about knowing the system. Do your checks, stay smart, and start small. For me as an immigrant, the first car wasn't just about driving. It was about freedom, independence, and the feeling that I finally belong here. So if you liked this video and would like to see more car content, please like the video and click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.